Welcome to the Trovo Stream Academy. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to start a stream team on Trovo and how to navigate the new team feature. Let's get started. So let me start by introducing myself. I'm PunkRock. I've been streaming on Trovo since May of 2020, and I started my own team, Adequate Gaming, here on Trovo in January of 2021. Now, although we just started the stream team here on Trovo, my team, Adequate Gaming, has been a team since 2008, and we started as a Game Battles Call of Duty team. So we've been doing comp and all that stuff for a very long time. But stream team is kind of new to us also. So there's two sides to Adequate Gaming. We have the gaming team and the stream team. So the gaming team is more focused on events. So like Trovo Titans events, tournaments, game battles, a more competitive side of gaming. And then we have the stream team, and the stream team's job is to just stream, go live, have fun, hang out on Trovo. So there's a lot that goes into making your own team. First thing you gotta do is recruit. Recruit some friends, people that you play games with, and get your team started. Number two, it takes a lot of organization. You have to make sure you have everybody organized on rosters and have everybody together in one space like Discord or Guilded. That way you guys can chat and talk and figure out when you're going to play together or what schedule everybody has for streaming. So that's number three, is scheduling. You have to make sure you're really good at scheduling things like events so people aren't overlapping times on certain games, or if you're doing game battles ladders, Trovo Titans events, scheduling is key. And then the fourth thing that you really need to do is find sponsorships. You want to open up your own merch shop, have team stuff like jerseys or shaker cups, and those things are really cool to have, and a lot of team members love to support your team and buy the merch, so that is a huge must when you're running a team. So something else to think about is, are you starting a community or a team? A community is usually a group of friends that likes to play games together, hang out, a lot more casual. Whereas a team usually has stricter guidelines to joining, especially if they're running comp teams for events and tournaments. You usually want the best of the best on those teams. So always think about, is this going to be more of a team where I'm going to be a lot more strict and have guidelines on how to join? Or is this more of a community where everyone's welcome? So now we're going to jump into how to create your own team here on Trovo. And we're going to use the new team feature that just released. Well, let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to do is head over to Creator Studio. Scroll down here to the bottom and click on Team. And then create a new team. You're going to want to find a really good name for your team. This team right here, we are going to call Adequate Gaming Hype Army. And this right here will be your team page URL. So you can name it whatever you want. And we're going to call this Adequate Hype. Then you can upload your logo and save. So now you got your team name, you have your URL, and you have your logo. Now you want to enter a description. So we're going to say this is the Adequate Hype Army. And you can type whatever you want here, of course. You're going to select a country for your team. So mine will be United States. And then you can select up to 3 languages. So you can pick any 3 languages that might pertain to your team here. A game category. So my team mostly plays Fortnite. Let's see, Apex. And we'll say Call of Duty Mobile. And you can pick up to 5 on that. And you come down here and you have your team requirements. So streamers must meet these requirements to join your team. And you cannot change team requirements after creating your team. Stream and revenue data are highly private. Please check these requirements cautiously. So you can have your members share their stream data with the team leads and managers. And that just gives them all of your analytics so you can see how well your team's performing. Members must share their revenue data with team lead and manager, and that just gives you a overall number of the kinds of donations that your teams gets through subs and elixirs. and members must add other members to host list. And that'll help keep your team hosting each other and supporting each other when they're offline. And then you just click create team. And there you have it, you have a team. So then you can go over here and you can go to your members list and you can invite streamers to your team. So let's say we're going to invite Rudy Anonymous to our team. And you can send a little message or just invite them. And then once they accept their invite, they'll pop up down here under your team members list. So you can also see your team's analytics, and you can do just like you do in your Trovo 500 page and your stream analytics. You can check by period, by time zone, and you can see how many new followers your team has, your effective watch time for your team, new subs for your team. And this is basically a combined number for everyone that's on your team. You can also see your active streamers and average viewers. And then you can also look at a list view where this is really cool. You can actually see how long that streamer's been streaming, their live views, new follows, subs, everything you need to see for your team members are all right here in Team Analytics. And then the other thing is permissions. You can create team managers for your team. For now it's only 2, but I do believe with the larger team sizes, you'll be able to add more team members in the future. You have to remember this is still in the first stages of the team feature. There will be a lot more added. And then you can go in here and see your settings again. And this is also where you can leave a team if you decide to leave and join a different team. So you can go to your page and you'll see here you have the Adequate Gaming Hype Army. And we are English, Apex, Call of Duty Mobile, and Fortnite, just like we set up in the beginning. And just to show you a view, once you have some members invited to your team, you can see over here, it'll give you the team member count, and this is from your team page, whatever that URL was that you set up. And you can scroll through and check out everybody on your team and see the categories that you chose when you set up your team. And their stream will play here if they're streaming. And if they're offline, as you can see, it'll just show offline right here. And then everybody that's live. So some things to remember when you're creating a team. You can be a level 2 streamer and above to create a team. And any level can join a team. So it doesn't matter if you're new to the platform or you've been here since the beginning. Other platforms, you have to be a partner to create a team. So it's really cool that you can start a team here once you hit level 2. You can invite up to 50 members per team, although bigger teams is in the future planning here on Trovo. Don't forget, you can also raid, host, and follow from the team page. And as of right now, it's only 2 managers per team, but they may add more later depending on the size of the team. And don't forget to check your analytics page. You can go through there and check how your team is performing here on Trovo. And some future features that are coming here on Trovo for the team feature is a possible ranking system, Titans integration with the Trovo Titans, more managers, panels and customization for teams, team vibe tags, and also a feature where you can find a team based on language, game category, and a team chat room. Now that you've created your team here on Trovo, remember the most important thing: have fun. Play some games with your friends. Use the squad feature to boost your team interaction by streaming together. Or maybe you want to enter some of those Trovo Titan events and try to win some money. But either way, have fun while you're doing it. Thanks for staying for the entire video, guys, and watching. Make sure you drop that like, subscribe to the Trovo channel, and go watch all the other Trovo Stream Academy videos so you're always in the know. Thank you, guys.